Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we have the HS280 by Holy Stone. They make some great drones. So let's open this up, take a look at what we get. And right away, so this is your instruction manual, and it is packed with a lot of information. So make sure that you read through every single piece of it, and you have the QR code that will download the app for you so you can operate the camera, and then it's going to go through the calibration of the gyro, one key takeoff and landing, how to record video, take photos. So I mean, there's like so much in here. Definitely take the time to read through that. Let me open up everything and I'll give you kind of an idea of what we have going on. So this is your remote. So it's basically going to have kind of like this little template that sits on the front of here, and that's kind of like a quick start guide on how to get everything going. That's your remote. This is going to hold your phone, which is going to be basically your screen. To give you an idea, this is a Note 10, so this is a pretty large phone display that it can hold without a problem. So that's pretty neat. And then you have these little handholds that come down there. So I'll give you an idea. So everything is nice and easy to control from there. Let's open this up. So it takes 4 AAA batteries. So let's put those in there now. And I always have batteries on hand, which is always a good thing. And I like using the Amazon alkaline batteries. They tend to work the best for what I need. So this is the orientation on how that goes. And there's going to be the opposite orientation over here. And I like how it holds them nice and tight in there. So that is all that. Let's open up your drone. Let's see what we got there. Put that box out of the way. Then this is going to be all your little accessories. Let's open that up. And you got a bunch of extra parts in here. So that is your battery. So let's get that going. So to give you an idea how that battery hooks into that, it's going to slide through here, that little sleeve, and then that's going to connect to your battery. And then let's get some juice going in this, if I can get this tie undone properly. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we'll plug that battery in. And it's got a little red light on it, so it's going to show that it's charging. My delusion is that's probably going to turn green or go out completely when the battery is 100% charged. So you get some extra rotors, extra screws, a screwdriver. We'll put those back in there, and it's always good. If you fly drones long enough, you will crash them and you will break some propellers. So it's awesome that it comes with a couple spare set, so you have the opportunity to be able to fix that. Oh, cool. It comes with a second battery. That's pretty awesome. And then that's a little protector, so you can transport it in this box pretty well. There's a carrying case, so that's pretty cool. I like that right away. That's your power button to turn your drone on completely. And that is your camera gimbal, so that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at what else this has feature packed on here. So yeah, it looks like that's pretty much everything on. So that's pretty neat. That camera goes up and down. Very cool. And yeah, that's everything. Okay, so folding it back up. And I like that it's a 2-tier propeller arm on it, basically. So if you look at it from the side, so it doesn't really matter which one you kind of open up first. So it makes it so much easier, especially if you're traveling with a drone, you're trying to figure out how to open it and stuff. So that comes in pretty handy. All right, so let's let these batteries charge up, and then we'll go outside. We'll go through the setup process and show you how everything works. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're outside with the HS280, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the app. So get into your camera mode on your smartphone, and then you're scanning the QR code, and it'll bring it to your Play Store or the iOS. I've already downloaded this, so what we're going to do is we're just going to hit open, and it's going to be looking for the drone. So we're actually just going to go back real quick, and then push your battery in, push the button down, and then that will start that up. And what we're going to do is we are going to enter into device, and it's still looking, so we're going to go into our Wi-Fi settings, and refresh it, and you're going to look for the Holy Stone drone, and then it's going to say it's connecting, and then we're going to go back out, and then we're going to wait for the camera to connect. And then just hit connecting and allow. So sometimes you might have to go back out and then enter back in. So there. So now we have functionality of the camera. And we're going to mount our phone onto the remote. We'll pull our handles down. And then we are going to follow along on the instructions, but it's pretty simple. What we're going to do is the power button. It's going to start blinking, and then up and then down, and that will connect to the drone. And then we're going to calibrate the compass really quick. And you'll see the lights blink rapidly, green, and then it will go solid. And then to basically unlock the motors, you're holding down and going here. And then you have your one button takeoff. And before we do that, we're going to start recording, which is the button right here. And you'll be able to see the camera start ticking off in the corner. And then you can control the camera up and down. We're going to kind of set it down, and we're going to one button takeoff. And we are up and flying. Got some quick footage. And you can turn it. And then when you're ready to land, just bring a little bit closer to the deck over here. One button landing, so basically control itself down, and then there you go, and then you can stop recording by just hitting that little record button, and we're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and fly safe out there.